Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Viewers, how are you? Today, inshallah, we are going to do the examples of lesson number 16 as we have done in the previous lesson, lesson number 16, with the definition. It was about tafkheem and tarqeeq. Tafkheem means making the letters heavier, and tarqeeq means saying them lighter. And there are some conditions on which if they are found, if they are present, only then we can make them heavier or lighter. And the letters which are needed in this lesson, alif, lam and ra, they are initially not heavy letters, they are not bold letters, but sometimes they are heavy and sometimes they are lighter. There are the stipulations we have done in the previous lesson. So in this lesson, inshallah, we are going to do some other examples which are not included in the previous lesson. The page you can see in front of you. In this page, there's the first box which I highlighted. There's the name of Allah in this example, and here the name of Allah will be read lighter. Why? Because it has kasra behind. We say like qaf damma qu, lam kasra lil, qulil, lam standing fatha la, qulilla, ha mim dammahum, mim fatha ma, humma, qulillahumma. Here behind the name of Allah there is kasra, so this is why it is to be read lighter. But the other examples which I am going to highlight in red color, you can see like there are 5 boxes. After the blue box, there are 5 boxes in the red rectangle. In all these examples, you can see there's no name of Allah. So this is the lam which is other than the name of Allah. So every lam, that the rule we have read in the previous example, in the previous lesson as well, that whenever there is lam which is other than the name of Allah, that lam wherever it comes is to be read lighter. For example, in the first box, like it is ma wallahum, and then illalladhina, and then innalladhina ala salatan. All these lams which you can see in green color here, they're highlighted with the green color. So all the lams, they are light to be read. We can do today the practice of ra, and we have done ra's rule. That is, if you see behind the ra kasra or under the ra kasra, so the ra is to be read lighter. Ra is to be read lighter. So we can do these, some of the examples we can do word by word, one by one, so that how the ra is pronounced lighter we can understand nicely. In the first box, if you see, it is hamza ra kasra ir, jim kasra ji, irji, ain waw damma'u, irji'u. Here you see behind the ra, there is kasra under hamza. So here the ra is to be read lighter. That is the rule. If you see behind ra kasra, that is to be read lighter. And in the second box again, it is the same rule. Hamza ra kasra ir, jim kasra ji, irji, ain ya kasra'i, irji'i. Here again the same rule and same, the ra is to be read lighter. This example which I highlighted right now, it is the same example of ra in which ra is to be read lighter. We can do selective examples so that we can have the plenty choice of the examples which are taken from the different places of the Holy Quran. So ra over here, it is to be read lighter, but it is in a different word. So we can say it with the signs like hamza kasra I, noon ra kasra nir, inir, taba fatha tab, inir tab, tamim dammatum, inir tabtum. Ba has echo inside because ba is from 5 letters of echo, so haruf kalkala. So here we have to say ba echoing like inir tabtum. This was the practice of ra when it comes as lighter. Ra when comes lighter. So I can highlight some other examples in the green color at the bottom line, but here you can see the kasra is under ra. The kasra is under ra. As we have said in the rule, whether the kasra comes under ra or before ra, in both of these situations, ra is to be read lighter. So here in this example, you see kasra is under the ra, under. It is under the ra, so here again the same rule, like ra is to be read lighter, not heavy. It is ra kasra ri, Jim, Alif, Haja, rija, lam double dhamma lun, rijalun. And next example is hamza mim fatha am, ra double kasra rin, amrin. And next is fa sad fatha fas, bara kasra bir, fasbir. Sad is heavy because sad is one of the 7 letters of haruf mustaliya. So we say like fasbir. And the next example is qaf mim damma qum, fa fatha fa, qum fa, hamza nun fatha an, qum fa an, dhal ra kasra dhir, qum fa anzir. And next one is khaya fatha khay, ra double dhamma run, khairun. At the end you can see the circle. The circle is actually a stopping sign. Waqaf tam, it is called waqaf tam. So here instead of like saying khairun, we can say khair. About waqaf we will do inshallah lesson number 20 and 21. That is about the signs of waqaf and how we have to say the waqaf. It comes in different places, in different situations, like there's ta waqaf, jim waqaf, mim waqaf, lam alif. So there are some different signs of waqaf. They are qaf, ramuz or qaf. That we will do inshallah lesson number 20 and 21. Here just they given you the example like how if the circle comes we can say it. So circle is actually the stopping sign. So instead of saying like khairun, we can say khair. And last example is noon fathanna, dhalia kasra dhi, nadhi, ra double dhammarun, nadhirun. We will say it when we stop here like nadhir, nadhir. So this was lesson number 16 ended over here. These examples we have done today about the ra. Before we have done the examples of lam and alif. Inshallah in the next video the same 2 lessons, like first part of lesson number 16 and second part of lesson number 16, it will be in Urdu language, and after finishing lesson number 16 we will start lesson number 17. Hope you enjoy the video of today and it will be beneficial for you inshallah when you go with the science. The best way is to learn the basic qaida or the rules or the tajweed is to go with the science. Even if you are elder, if you are young, if you can understand the things, even then if you go with the science, that practice make you more perfect, make you more professional and fluent. So inshallah I will be there for you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me. May Allah accept all of our pleas, prayers, wishes, and may Allah make us all united, and may Allah give us the stamina for the deeds, for the works we have done, we have planned in this life, to complete them in our life, and may Allah not burden us with the things which we cannot bear the burden of. Inshallah, Ameen. Jazakumullah khairan. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.